How do you say family in Spanish? Familia. How do you say friend? Amigo. How do you say house? Casa. How do you say time? Tiempo. Keep watching if you want to learn Spanish. How do you say money in Spanish? Dinero. How do you say food? Comida. How do you say music? Música. How do you say movie? Película. Leave a comment with your favorite Spanish word. How do you say night in Spanish? Noche. How do you say book? Libro. How do you say school? Escuela. How do you say work? Trabajo. Follow me for daily Spanish lessons. How do you say I'm sorry in Spanish? It's lo siento. Repeat after me. Lo siento. How do you say I apologize? It's me disculpo. Repeat after me. Me disculpo. Spanish is easy with me. Just give me 1 minute every day. How do you say pardon? It's perdón. Repeat after me. Perdón. How do you say forgive me? It's perdóname. Repeat after me. Perdóname. Keep watching if you want to learn Spanish. How do you say I regret it? It's lo lamento. Repeat after me. Lo lamento. How do you say excuse me in Spanish? It's disculpe. Repeat after me. Disculpe. Leave a comment with your favorite Spanish word. How do you say I'm really sorry? It's lo siento mucho. Repeat after me. Lo siento mucho. How do you say I feel terrible in Spanish? It's me siento terrible. Repeat after me. Me siento terrible. Follow me for daily Spanish lessons.